Web Account Management Chapter. Batch import of accounts is different from that of the client. Web accounts currently support batch import. In addition to importing the account itself, accounts with management status can batch configure accounts for sub-employees within the jurisdiction. Just enter the account information according to the template filling requirements and import it. Account transfer. The transfer function exists in the enterprise package and is available to main accounts with administrative rights and sub-accounts with administrator status. When you click the transfer button, the browser configuration account named Facebook 4 belonging to the administrator account number 1 can be transferred to the administrator account number 2. After modification, the user column information of the account will change synchronously, and we switch to the administrator account number 1. If you refresh the backend, you will find that the account originally belonging to Facebook 4 is no longer there. Then switch to the backend of administrator number 2, and this account will appear. The batch transfer function is the same. We will transfer all the remaining Facebook accounts 1, 2, and 3 from the administrator 1 to the transfer 2. We only need to select them all. Click on the batch transfer and select the corresponding account. Refresh the background and let's see the results. Everyone is here, administrator number 2. Accounts in the Team Sharing Enterprise Edition package have the right to share the configurations under their own accounts with other accounts in the same company. Click Team Sharing. Shared users. Here we can see that everyone under the account selects and confirms that a small shared label appears here. The shared user column displays the administrator number of the account sharing party. We switch to the shared configuration section of the browser configuration in the backend of number 1. Unlike the account shared by the transfer team, the recipient only has the permission to activate the configuration and use it, and the account ownership still belongs to the sharer. To share an account, click Share, enter the other party's email or mobile phone number, and choose to configure the validity period of the sharing. You can share the configuration. After the sharing is completed, the system will generate a configuration extraction code. After copying, notify the SHAR-EE through WeChat or other social channels. After transferring to the SHAR-EE, there will be a message reminder of the shared account in the upper right corner of the platform, which can also be viewed in the message center of the menu bar. Of course, in the sharing details, all accounts that have been shared are managed, including receiving, withdrawing, rejecting, etc., entering the extraction code to choose to receive. The account shared by his account will become the asset of this account. Account sharing can be checked in the browser configuration in the menu bar, and batch operations are also supported. We won't demonstrate it here. Account editing and deletion. VMMask supports modifying the name and proxy of the browser configuration account one by one, and unwanted accounts can be deleted one by one or in batches.